share a very easy, healthy and a tasty Tambuli recipe with you. So let's begin. Take 2 tablespoons of ghee, about 10 to 15 peppercorns, then 3 to 4 chilies, 2 tablespoons of jeera, and keep frying that. And then add washed Doddapatre or Mexican mint leaves, it's also called as Indian borage, and fry it well. Add salt and let it cook for a while. Once it cools down, put it in a mixie grinder. Add half cup of freshly grated coconut, half cup of curd, and grind it into a paste like this. And then you can add water and adjust the consistency. That's it. It goes so well with rice and it's a very healthy recipe. Do try.